Breakfast, guys. Luncheon meat. Pancit canton, guys, with soup. Tapos, may sardinas, guys. Namig din, guys, kay maulan-ulan sa Pilipinas, guys. Magigop kang sabaw, guys. Pancit canton naman sabaw, guys. Tapos, bread. Pan. Breakfast kita muna, guys. Have a nice day, everyone. Good morning, Philippines. Simple lang, guys, ang breakfast. Chicken luncheon meat. Bread with canton na may sardines. Ready na, guys. Let's eat.